Concrete can be very expensive. It's in the $90 a yard range, whereas this is going to be $7 or $8 a yard, and so the cost savings would be tremendous, plus the labor of putting it down. All I had to do was drive over it with a tractor pulling a box blade and smooth it out, whereas if you had concrete coming in here, it would not only have to have the concrete, but it would have to have reinforcement wire or reinforcement bars of some kind. You'd have to have form boards set up to hold it and contain it. You'd have to have some way to get it smoothed out and make it workable condition. It would probably, just a quick guess off the top of my head, cost 100 times more to have a concrete road put in than to have just a gravel road.